questions 53 and 54 is going the opposite direction. So we're given a temperature in Fahrenheit and we're trying to convert it to Celsius. So we need to use this conversion. So this is going to be 5 over 9 times, and in parentheses it's going to be 86 minus 32. Now I'm just going to type this in on the calculator exactly as I see it, but if you wanted to beforehand subtract 32 from 86, you could do it in 2 steps if you wanted to. And I get 30 degrees. Number 54 is 14 degrees. Minus 32. So on the calculator it's going to be 5 divided by 9 times 14 minus 32. And we get negative 10. And that's our answer.